Hello, Mike. Coming to you from Bacchus Marsh, Australia. Currently here in Altona, just doing a little walk along the beach. Show you the beach of Altona. Got the dogs with us, of course. And yeah, enjoy the walk.
Beach right kids. Yeah. Hey Daisy. That's what they do though. Rocking the whole farm.
Susie's got both dogs. This is Altona beachfront. Newly constructed pier to see, you can see. Done last year. And yeah, this is the beach walk. The beach is pretty nice. Cloudy day. It's only 21 here today. Siri said it wasn't going to rain, but I think she's wrong. Oh, I've already got a raindrop. Hey, we're going to keep going, are we?
Come on guys, let's go.
There's Tirana. Love it. Hey boys and girls, go left a bit, bub. Hey boys and girls, hey, what's this? Stay. Dusty.
That's watch.
Dad's got a treat. I got enough. That's all right.